Hi, my name's Rob Collier from We Buy Homes, and today we're just going to talk a little bit about those people I can't necessarily help now, but I may be able to help them in another way in terms of their property transaction and do their property journey. So, for example, someone who it's highly likely we're not able to put a deal together, I can then provide some solutions or other people to talk to or some other avenues that people might be able to go down to maximise the value of their property. An example would be someone that maybe they've got an EQC insurance claim on their house that they didn't realise that they could do, and then get a payout from that, and then of course they can sell their property as is whereas and be further ahead of the game than if they just sold the property in the first instance by themselves. Another example might be I might be able to refer them on to an agent that might be able to help them out. I might be able to give them some ideas about how they can enhance their property to maximise their value. So if I can help out, I'm here to also provide some other solutions, some other options for people to then get the best outcome that they can possibly get for themselves and their property. Thanks.